In this video, we're going to be working on a package that was mailed in from Janice, Virginia. This is for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 7-inch SM-T350. Charge port damaged. Customer already called for an estimate, or she sent an email for an estimate, $85. We have all the customer's information here. Now, I already took the board out. This is the tablet right here. And pop it open like this, and we remove the board from here. And I currently have the board on the bench. So let's go under the microscope to inspect the charging port. And definitely the charging port is damaged. So let's go ahead and change that port. It's 5:45 right now, we close at 6, so this will be the last repair for the day. First thing I want to do is remove this. And we're going to start by applying low melt solder on those 4 or 6 legs here. And let's flip the board. Apply some low melt solder onto the front pins. Okay, so let's use a little bit of hot air to remove this connector. And it's out. I'm at 320 degrees. Very, very minimal heat. For a few seconds, and the connector is out. It looks like the charging port I picked is for Tab A 10.1 inch and not for the 7 inch. It looks different. Let me see if I have a matching charging port. If I do not, then I'm not going to be able to finish this repair now. Charging port has those long legs. Okay, this one looks similar. We'll see. Okay, let's inspect this connector under the microscope to see if it matches. Certainly not. Let me try and see if this one matches. Okay, so this one is not the same. I'll put it on the side, place an order for the 7-inch charging port connector, and we'll probably do it in the next few days. Here we have the Samsung Tab A 7-inch that we worked on last time, and we did not have the charging ports in stock. We did order the charging ports and we have them now, so let's continue working on this board. And for all of you who inquired about this box to pre-order, we are making a box with 100 different types of charging ports. It should be available soon, and I'll let you know. I'll make an announcement when it's ready for sale. The job is done, but I would like to apply just a little bit more solder. I'm gonna use a thin wire of solder, so we just apply a tiny bit. And that's perfect. Now we're gonna solder the back. And the job's done. Charging port is soldered onto the board. We're gonna assemble it, try it out, and invoice the customer and ship it back to her or to him. Let's see. This one is coming from Janice. Okay. So let me quickly assemble it so we can test it. This is the back camera, front camera, we do not care about. So I only plug the screen cable and the battery cable. Let's charge it and see how it does. Right there, the tablet charging sign came on, and the tablet is currently being charged at 0.97, which is perfect, and the tablet is charging. So we just fixed the charging port on the Samsung Tab A 7-inch. This is the SM-T350, and the job is done. I'm gonna give it to Big Boss to reassemble it with the screws, invoice the customer, and ship it back to her. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. We have a couple of devices that just came in, including a 2019 MacBook Pro that came in for an EFI thermal lock. We just have a Dell laptop. It's an XPS 13-inch that came in for no power. We have a Mercedes-Benz key. And we have a, I do not know what this is, honestly. It says on it, Diesel Downloader XRT Pro. I do not know why this was sent here. There's nothing on the paper that says anything, and the customer doesn't look like he filled out the mailing form. So we're gonna have to keep it until the customer reaches out. And what else do we have? Oh, we have USB drive that came in for data recovery. We'll look at this in the next video. And we have another Mercedes-Benz key, which is right over here. Yes, sir. Hey man, how are you?
Hey buddy, do you have the screen protector?
And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Click on that bell icon so you can be notified when we have a new video. And I'll see you again in the next video.